everyone, welcome back. Today, we are diving into the top 10 enemies to lovers Korean dramas you need to watch. Get ready for intense rivalries and unexpected romances. Let's jump right in. 10. Her Private Life. Her Private Life is a drama based on the webtoon, NunaFan.com. It tells the story of Sun Deok-mi, an art gallery curator who is very good at her job. However, she has a secret. She is a huge fan of Cha Shi-en, a famous K-pop star from the band White Ocean. She even runs a website dedicated to him. Deok-mi balances her professional life with her secret fangirling. The story gets interesting when her new boss, Ryan Gold, arrives. They start off disliking each other, and things get complicated when Ryan discovers Deok-mi's hidden obsession with Cha Shi-en. 9. Mad for Each Other. Mad for Each Other follows number HWIO, a detective at Gangnam Police Station. His tough job in the Violent Crimes Division has made him angry and aggressive, so he starts seeing a psychiatrist for help. Another patient of the same psychiatrist is Lee Min-kyung. She seems normal but is actually dealing with deep trauma from a past incident, making her difficult to be around. Coincidentally, No HWIO and Lee Min-kyung are neighbors, and they keep getting involved in each other's lives. 8. Shooting Stars. In only 16 episodes, you'll find an interesting twist on the enemies to lovers trope with its focus on a unique relationship. It's not uncommon to see high-profile actors gain an attitude towards their peers, but it's less common to see a professional relationship gradually peel this attitude back to see why it exists. Combined with the terrific performances of Lee Sun-kyung and Kim Young-dae, Shooting Stars does a terrific job of presenting a captivating drama series overall. 7. Our Beloved Summer. Our Beloved Summer stars Choi Woo-shik and Kim Da-mi in a sweet Korean drama about two former high school sweethearts who have become strangers. As teenagers, Choi Woong, a lazy artist, and Koo Kyun-soo, a top student, dated while being filmed for a school documentary. Yoon-soo eventually broke Woong's heart, and they separated. Years later, they are reunited as adults to work together on another project, reigniting old feelings. 6. Touch Your Heart. Touch Your Heart features a top lawyer, Kwon Young-rok, and a bubbly but naive superstar, Oh Yoon-seo. They are complete opposites. Yoon-seo starts working as Young-rok's secretary at a law firm to prepare for her next film. While her constant mistakes annoy him at first, Young-rok soon sees Yoon-seo's true personality and falls for her warmth and sincerity. 5. Love to Hate You. From butting heads with each other, to fake dating in front of the media, to finally warming up and falling in love, this drama is a binge-worthy entry to the list. It's arguably one of the quintessential examples of the enemies to lovers trope, practically breaking down every step between the two's budding relationship over the course of just 10 episodes. It's a short drama series that's bound to keep your attention. 4. The Innocent Man. The Innocent Man is a gripping drama about Kang Ma-ru, a medical student, and Ha Jae-hee, a reporter who betrays him. Ma-ru takes the blame for a murder Jae-hee committed and goes to jail. Years later, Ma-ru is released and discovers Jae-hee has moved on and is engaged to a wealthy man. Seeking revenge, Ma-ru gets close to Seo Yoon-ki, the daughter of Jae-hee's fiancé. 3. Crash Course in Romance. Crash Course in Romance ends with a dramatic love story. Before reaching that point, the characters experience stolen identities, embarrassments, and wild chases. The drama is set in the competitive world of entrance exams, where parents strive for the best education for their children. Choi Chi-yeol, a popular math instructor, is aloof and troubled by his past. Nam Heng-sun, a retired national athlete, just wants her daughter to attend Chi-yeol's classes. When their paths cross, a romance develops between these two very different people. 2. Suspicious Partner. What happens when the person who hates you with a passion is your only hope for escaping a murder charge? Suspicious Partner is about a skilled prosecutor, No Ji-wook, and his inexperienced intern, Yoon Bong-hee. Both are passionate about law, But while Ji-wook is confident and experienced, Bong-hee often gets into trouble due to her naivety. When Bong-hee is arrested for murder, Ji-wook reluctantly defends her, facing many challenges along the way. 1. Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. In Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha, Hong Do-shik's quiet seaside village is disrupted by the arrival of Yoon Hae-jin, a sophisticated city girl. After a conflict with her boss, Hae-jin leaves her job in Seoul and drives to Gongjeon, a town she visited as a child. Discovering there is no dentist in town, she decides to open her own practice. Her life becomes complicated due to constant clashes with the smug jack of all trades, Hong Do-shik. However, their conflicts eventually lead to a sweet romance. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe and get notified.